So here she is. Here's the box. Here's what we've been waiting for. This is the new body for my Axial SCX10 Honcho. And I've already done the liberty of, snipping the tape. So let's get into it. Alright, first thing we got here is we got stickers. Stickers are always good. And there it is. Can you see that? That's the Crusader. So yeah. So we're going to unbox this. And then we're going to work on fixing the axial so that we can put her up on the trail. Now I got this on eBay. But you can get it anywhere like Amazon or one of the specialty hobby stores. This is the free snorkel that came with it on eBay. It's a beautiful thing because I like free. Free's good. Like this video. This video is free. Alright, so first thing we get out here is we get... Looks like we got the interior doors. Well, let's make this a bit more comfortable. We'll move box over to the side here. Because I want you guys to see what's coming out of the box. Next up is we have what appears to be the side glass. And this next bag up. Oh, I love the sound of that crinkle. Brand new. New to me. RC body. So this is a windows. Looks like the front windshield. Made of a plexi or something like that, but it's nice clear windows. And then we've got the back door and the windshield. A lot of goodies in this bag. Fenders with that nice, stance look. Fenders. They even send you a screwdriver, but if you have a RC car, you probably have one of these already, but that's okay. It's always good to have more than one because you never know. A screwdriver, and then here's our screws for the body. Good thing to have. Seats. They're made of a nice hard rubber, but there's the seats right there. Alright, we've already seen the interior of the doors. Now these are the doors. So this is the 4 doors that come on this vehicle body. This is the roof. And the roof comes in several parts here. This is a very top part of it. And this is the one that usually when you see it, a lot of folks tend to just paint it just a nice white, nice hard plastic. And they leave it white because this vehicle usually has a white roof. Next up, what's next? What's next is we got look. That's the hood. So we've seen the roof. Now we've seen the hood, and from the looks of it, we now have to take the rest of this completely out of the box. So let's do that. So there she is, out of the box. But we're going to put her off to the side because apparently there's more stuff in the box. In the bottom of the box, under the body, and all the little stuff that's inside the body, we have the floor pan. Now that is going to be fun, getting this piece done, deciding how we're going to do it, if we're going to do a black, a white, a red, custom color, or just do nice and neutral. So, floor pan. Put that there. And then, you saw the front seats, now these are, there goes the hood, we'll pick that up later. That's the hood, oh that's not the hood. We're going to get this right. This is an unboxing. This is a one-shot take kind of thing, alright? This is the bench for the rear of the vehicle. So, we showed you the front seats, now we're showing you the bench. And yes, there's a lot of crinkly going on because this is all new to me and we're showing it to you. And yeah, because the SCX10 is getting a new body. Alright, put that down there. So we're going to get rid of this box here so that we can now, we're going to take the body out of the bag, put the bag off to the side, we don't need that right now. And so there's the body. That's the body of the Crusader. Okay. It's pretty nice looking. Alright, so I think what we're going to do now is we're going to get some of this stuff out of the way. So, just a minute. So, better view right there. There we go. There is the Crusader Land Rover Defender. This is the beauty and the beast that we've been wanting, and we finally got it for the SCX10. Yay! Alright, so let's see. Well, we saw the front already. I'll show it to you again. Now, I'm not going to flip it around anymore. We're just going to start banging into it. Alright, so the rear comes off. If you look at it, the rear has one part of the little glass thing up on the top, and you put them together, it completes it. So there's the back end. Now with the back end off, this looks an awful lot like the truck version. So I'm assuming that for the truck they simply close that off, and I don't know. I'm not going to speculate because I don't know, but it looks a lot like the truck now. But it's not truck. This is the station wagon. Okay, so let's flip it over. Look at that. Flip her over and see what's kept on the inside here. On the inside, what we've got is, oh yeah, that, my dears, is we have the dash is in this little baggie here. The dash and the steering wheel is in this baggie. Dash and steering wheel. So put that off to the side. Next up, now isn't that special? We've got the radiator, the grill, the headlamp housing. That's in there. It's nice. Now, this is a tree. And in this tree, I'm really not sure what it's all about, so we're going to have to look at the manual that came with the vehicle to figure out what all of this stuff in this bag is about. Again, put that off the side. Now, we're down to the last little baggie. And this last little baggie, what we've got is we've got our headlamp buckets. They're nice and chrome. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they're nice and chrome. But we're probably going to paint that and get rid of the chrome look. Make it look a bit more rugged and, you know, a bit more machismo. So put that there. So, that's all the little bits that came with the main frame. Now, this frame has a door that opens up, a hood that opens up, passenger driver doors that open up, and it's made of a hard plastic. It's pretty rigid. Let's try to do the flex test. Flex, 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 flex. This is a nice hard plastic. It's going to be our very first hard body, and we are super excited. So let's see now. If I take this, I have a general idea of how it should look. Put that piece on. Put this piece on, kind of like that. And then the last piece I should be pressing around would be the hood that fell on the ground. Yeah. And there's the hood. So there you have it. The Crusader Defender 110 hard body for my SCX10, which is getting a nice upgrade of a body. It's getting a nice refresh, if you will. Next time you see this vehicle, it'll be all nicely painted, and yeah, sounds good to me. I'm looking forward to it, And until next time, remember, this is Monster RC Garage saying to you, whether it's trail or bash, RC brings the happy. So, there you go. Let's be happy. Happy, 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 happy. Joy, joy. Till next time.